Hi friends, welcome back to Swati Ganesh Creations. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys this DIY Pongal or Sankranti decoration, or we can even use it as our mehendi decor. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. For the first DIY, I have taken here these paper plates and I had these stickers with me. So I just cut them in this manner and I'm just going to stick them on the paper plate. And then I am just going to make outline using this black marker pen. So our simple DIY is ready. So the next DIY I am going to make here is a kite, for which I have taken a square shaped chart paper in which I am going to stick this quilling paper using Fevistick. You can even use strip of color paper instead of quilling paper. I had lot of quilling papers, so I am just using them here.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow, a drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for...
So our kite is ready. To make it more attractive, I have stuck some mirrors on it and I have used a golden thread tassel. So this is our next DIY, for which I am going to draw a circle and I am just going to cut it from a chart paper. I am just going to cut a small triangle from the chart paper and then I am just going to roll this paper in this manner and I will secure it with the help of a stapler. We'll need a lot of cones like this and we'll also cut some straws. You can even use paper straws. So now let me show you guys how to make a perfect tassel. So for which I have taken a strip of cardboard and I am going to use this steel twine.
Our moments miles above, I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. Hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in waves that keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again.
So I am going to take an embroidery hoop to which I am going to attach these tassels as well as the cones and straws that we cut. So I am just going to use a needle using which we are going to attach these cones, straws and tassels to a thread.
Sinking in, back on the shore, one foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then. These hopes dance high like sparks before they go out. But in that second, you're still mine. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I...
So I have tied the tassel to it and this is how the hoop is looking right now. I have covered the embroidery hoop with golden thread like this, and you can even use some pearls at the beginning and end of this each thread, and it will make the hanging more beautiful. This hoop idea is my mom's idea, so I want to give the credit to her. So now it's time to decorate. So I had this board already with me. I'm going to decorate it in the commercial space which I already shared with you guys, the Waterfall Restaurant. If you want to check out the previous video, I'll give the link in the description box. So we had some nails attached on the top, to which we have attached this artificial flowers like this. So the light setup which we did last time, I'm going to just retain it, and I'm just going to hang the tassels one and the cone hanging which we did. I'm just going to hang them like this. We have just used twine and a S hook to hang. These two umbrellas are very famous in Brahman's wedding. They use it for Kasi Yatra. So I just got two umbrellas like this, which I wanted to place on the top of the frame as shown, but they were not standing perfectly as I expected. So what I did was, we have placed them on the floor. So I'll show you guys. So we have attached the kites which I made with the help of paper prints to the frame. And then we placed some pots, colorful pots for decoration. And on the side I have used this frame in which I have attached some flowers just for decoration purpose. And you can see I have just placed the umbrellas on the floor, and I have used all the decorations that I made here, all the DIYs you can see here. It's a very simple and budget friendly decor. It will hardly cost you some 2000 rupees, within 2000 rupees. So, and it's going to be a perfect one if you are going to DIY your mehendi decor. And finally, we are just going to add here this LED string lights. If you guys have this curtain lights, then you can go ahead and use them. They will look more beautiful.
See you, a sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I know.
We customized this board which we are going to use it over here. So this is how the end result is looking right now. So do let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. There is only one thing which is missing here, that is the sugar canes which are yet to be placed over here. So this is very less budget decoration that you guys can try for your mehendi or for this festival season. So do let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. And if you guys are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the ting 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 bell icon so you get notifications of all our future videos. Like this video, please give a thumbs up, and also please do share it with your friends and family. I'll see you all in the next interesting video, friends. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye, friends. Happy Pongal or happy Makar Sankranti. Bye bye, friends.